Today I'd like to review for you my Happy Soul dry brush. Y'all, I have so enjoyed this dry brush. If you've not gotten into dry brushing yet, let me suggest this dry brush for you. It does have Ion Charged Copper Bristles in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see the difference in the color there, but the inside has got some copper bristles that are ion charged. And dry brushing is a wonderful technique to get into. I do mine right before I get in the shower every night. Just little small strokes is what you do. It exfoliates your skin. It helps. Oh, and you can see all the dry stuff, my dry skin going everywhere. As you're touching your skin with it, it's very, very soft. It doesn't hurt or anything, but it really does help to get those skin cells off. So I highly recommend this. This brand is Happy Soul, and you might be able to see that, Happy Soul. And I truly do. I love it. It's for dry brushing. It's for exfoliation. And I just keep it right next to my bathtub and my shower. And just before I step in the shower, I just do this. I start from my toes and I work all the way up to my heart area. And so kind of a cute little thing to do. So it really does exfoliate really well. I suggest you put it in your cart today.